Hi everyone, welcome to the Sacred Universe YouTube channel. Today we will explore the life and teachings of revered Saint Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami, known for his deep spirituality, wisdom and compassion. He is lovingly called Rairu by his devotees. Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami is believed to be the fourth incarnation of Shankukarna, and Shankukarna was a celestial being, that's Karmaja Devata, who assisted Lord Brahma in his worship of Vishnu. Rairu is celebrated for his miraculous deeds and unwavering dedication to the welfare of humanity. So please join me in this video. We dwell into his inspiring life journey and the timeless principles he imparted. In the heart of South India, during the late 16th century, a divine soul was born in the quaint town of Bhuvanagiri in Tamil Nadu. This child, named Venkatanatha, was destined to become one of the most revered saints in Indian history, Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami. His parents, Timana Bhatta and Gopikamba, were devout Brahmins, and from the moment of his birth in 1595, it was clear that Venkatanatha was no ordinary child. As a young boy, Venkatanatha displayed an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a profound spiritual inclination. His early education was under the loving guidance of his brother-in-law Lakshmi Narasimhacharya in the vibrant city of Madurai. There, Venkatanatha's brilliance shone as he mastered the sacred scriptures, dwelling deep into the Vedas, Nyaya, that's logic, Vyakarna, that's grammar, and Mimamsa, that is philosophy. His intellect was matched only by his humility and devotion, earning him respect and admiration from all who knew him. With the time, Venkatanatha married Saraswati Bhai, a woman of grace and virtue. Together, they built a life rooted in simplicity and devotion, blessed with a son named Lakshmi Narayanacharya. Despite the joys of family life, Venkatanatha's heart yearned for a higher calling, a life dedicated to the service of God and humanity. The turning point came with the passing of his father, which plunged the family into financial hardship. Yet, even in the face of adversity, Venkatanatha's faith remained unshaken. It was during this period of struggle that he felt the divine call to renounce worldly life and embrace the path of sannyasa. With unwavering resolve, Venkatanatha approached his spiritual mentor, Sudhendra Tirtha, the esteemed pontiff of Kumbakonam Mutt. Under his guidance, Venkatanatha took the sacred vows of sannyasa, shedding his worldly ties to become Raghavendra Tirtha, a name that would resonate through the ages. As Guru Raghavendra Swami, he embarked on a journey of spiritual enlightenment, spreading the teachings of Dvaita Vedanta, the dualistic philosophy founded by Madhvacharya. His discourses were a beacon of wisdom, and his writings, including profound commentaries on the Upanishads, Brahma Sutras, and Bhagavad Gita, these became guiding lights for seekers of truth. Raghavendra Swami's life was a tapestry of miracles and divine grace. Tales of his miraculous deeds spread far and wide, drawing devotees from all corners of land. People flocked to him, seeking solace and guidance, and he, with boundless compassion, offered them the light of hope and faith. In 1671, sensing the time had come to transcend the physical realm, Guru Raghavendra Swami prepared to enter Jiva Samadhi, a state of eternal meditation, in the secret village of Mantralayam on the banks of the Tungabhadra river. He sat in deep meditation, surrounded by his disciples and devotees. With a serene smile, he entered the Vrindavana, his final resting place, assuring his followers that he would continue to bless and guide them from the spiritual realm. Even to this day, the Vrindavana at Mantralayam stands as a sacred shrine, a testament to the enduring legacy of Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami. Pilgrims from all walks of life visit this holy site, seeking the blessings of the saint whose life story continues to inspire and uplift the hearts of millions. His legacy lives on, a shining example of faith, knowledge, and the divine love, guiding countless souls on his spiritual journey. To all my dear viewers, we come to the end of this video, hearing the journey and teachings of Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami. I hope you have found this video as an inspiration and insight in his profound wisdom and unwavering devotion. His legacy continues to guide and uplift countless devotees, reminding us of the power of faith, compassion, and selfless service. Thank you for hearing me on the Sacred Universe YouTube channel. If you have enjoyed this exploration, please like, share, subscribe, comment for more enlightening content. Until next time, may the blessings of Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami illuminate your path. Take care.